Selling that is like selling hotcakes. Everybody wants to be able to, I guess, a benefit from the solar investment, especially even your customers. They want to know that, hey, I'm going to a property that has power when the power is out.
It's reliable, for sure. I mean, because, somebody's traveling with a child or elderly, whatever. I mean, you never know who's coming to the short-term rental. It's just better, I guess you could say, to have that as a point to make. Like, look, if something does happen while you're staying at the property to the power, as far as rolling blackouts, whatever it is, especially during the summertime, you got to think,
For
right?
sure.
You got the summertime, more people out and about traveling. You've got the people with the Airbnb business, more people are utilizing that, property. If you've got backup power and reliable sources of energy, then that's just another selling point, for the owner too. So
I mean, you got to think about
it's
it.
a great
The selling
combination.
point,
Yeah.
the like you said, the rental properties. Come on, like it just makes more sense because if you can make a little bit more as an owner,
Yeah.
provide a better service to your customers or clients,
Yep.
your tenants, that's selling value.
Oh, for sure, man.
I'm
Huge value.
providing a value to you.